Good morning, boys, girls. Listen, welcome back to the channel, man. It's actually been a hot minute. It's actually been a hot minute since I've actually recorded a video. But as you read the title, yes, I have crashed my BMW 1 Series. Let me just quickly tell you the story, how it happened, and then we'll walk around to the car and then inspect the damage, see what I need to buy in order to get it back on the road, back up and running. First things first, I want you guys to meet the new addition to the family. Come here, Gil. Come here, Gil. Meet little lady Luna. Little adorable little Gil, look at her. Wait. Expensive camera here. Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, Luna. Luna. Come on, girl, come on. We don't need none of that. We don't bite now, do we? No, we do not, my baby. No, we do not. Anyway, as I was saying before I got really interrupted. Really and truly, the crash wasn't my fault. That it was inevitable. It was gonna happen either way. I was coming around the little roundabout, going like 15 miles an hour max. The road was slippery, and as I turned, I must have just turned a little bit to the left because I was just going around the roundabout. Turned a little bit to the left, and the car just slid out. I know people will be like, why didn't you push the brakes? Why didn't you do this? Your car's sliding out. There's nothing you can do. My reactions were quick. Immediately on the brakes, handbrake, boom, nothing. Still kept sliding, turning around and around in circles like a little merry-go-round. And it ended up crashing straight into some woman's, I think, rear door for Ford Ka. I'll post a picture there so you can see the damage that was done to the other car. For some of you who'd actually realized, you might have seen that I had privated most of my videos about the car. That's obviously to do with insurance. Everything's all sorted now, so what I can do is just fix the car, get the car back up and running, get it up to my standard. But with the damage now, it means that we can actually now change the bumper, which is something that I've always wanted to do. That is another one that's coming up. But since I've already just explained the crash to you, Why trying to bite me? Since I already explained the crash to you guys, let me just walk around to the front of the car and show you. I've already explained it, so let me show you now.
You need to chill. You don't know me like that. You got a problem, you can meet me out back. Look, I don't mean to be a sound rash, just hear me out. We don't need to beef about facts, cause yeah, I be down flat.
Shit, this is definitely a pre-side. Look at my light. My rims scratched up in the corner there. All the hard work I put into that. Bumper gone. That part of the bumper's gone. Front bit of the grill's gone. Dent there. I don't even know what the hell happened here. It shredded through here. My baby. And I know there's definitely some components underneath here that are bent. So I think with that, I didn't actually mention. Obviously, like I said, we went through insurance. The woman was fine. She drove her car off anyway. I then had to get my car recovered by my neighbor. There we go, right there with his recovered truck. Like I said, there was something wrong with the steering. I know that for sure, in the sense that one wheel was turned one way, another wheel was turned the other direction. I think with this video, what I want to do is I want to jack it up and just check other components that are underneath the car, like the suspension components, the front, basically the front assembly, front subframe, front assembly, yeah. See what components I need to order so that in the next video, I can literally just bang, work on it. But one thing I am mostly upset about, that was actually the new front fender that I will put on. I'm gonna have to order a new one of them. What usual. Boys, girls. Let me set you guys up and then jack the bad boy up and then put the axle stand down there so we can take that off.
Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown.
Alright, boys, let's have a ganders. See, well, there we go. There is our main issue. Shit, your tie rod assembly, that's bent right there. Which is obviously it's not meant to be bent there, it's meant to be straight. That needs to be ordered. So that's one thing that needs to be ordered. Apart from that, I don't think anything else is bent. There's no cranks, no nothing. Suspension's alright. Looks alright. One thing I am going to change, I'm going to change this hub. ABS has come off. Like the ABS light is on, so there's no ABS anymore. So I'm going to change this hub as well. Not the disc, but the hub behind it. This bad boy here. I'll change the whole hub. So really and truly, all I need to order, boys, is a track rod. Track rod assembly, and we're good. We're actually good to go. Hold on, let me actually pop the bonnet, see if the light, what we're going to do about the light. So, oh god damn. Okay, I reckon we actually plastic rolled that, boys, girls. Let's be inclusive to everyone. Yeah, so this tab is broken off. This tab here, it's broke off the tab there. Well, it's definitely broken off. That's not gonna be a bad little fix, you know. All I need now is this bad boy. Oh, I did cut and sewed that, so I need to fix that. It's not a big job, but it's a big job. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'll order the fender, I'm gonna order the track rod assembly, the whole track rod, so tie rod and track rod, and order the new hub for the wheel to sort out the ABS. The light, we can do plastic weld on that. I think we'll do that because I want to change the light. I want to put the M4 lights in there, so when we do the lights overall, we'll do that as well. Oh, I'm happy about this. This is not going to be too much hard work. Too much hard work, that's what I say, too much hard work, yeah. With that having been said, and with us knowing the parts order, the parts list for us to order, I'm going to love you and leave you. Now, this is literally a short little video just to give you guys an update because I haven't recorded in a long time, so I thought I owe you guys this much. But you know the drill. If you like this video, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, man. Come on. If you dislike it, then obviously give it a thumbs down. Let me know why in the comments below. We like positive criticism here. Now, I am your boy, your host, and goddamn mechanic KB, and I'm out, baby. Enjoy your new year. Peace.
Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go hard, or go home.